Today I am reviewing the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Keeping your floors clean can feel like a never-ending chore, especially if you share your home with busy kids or shedding pets. If you have been looking for a premium way to completely automate your floor care routine, you will definitely want to hear about this next product. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, model AV2501S. This dark gray smart vacuum is designed to offer a truly hands-off cleaning experience by combining high-end navigation, massive suction power, and a self-emptying base. Let's start with what happens after the vacuum finishes a cleaning run. One of the most frustrating things about older robot vacuums is having to manually empty their tiny dustbins every single day. The Shark AI Ultra solves this entirely with its self-empty base station. When a vacuum docks, the base automatically sucks out all the collected dirt, dust, and debris. The massive holding tank can retain up to 30 days' worth of waste before you ever need to think about emptying it. Even better, the base station is completely bagless, saving you money on expensive replacement bags over time. Shark has also integrated a true HEPA filtration system into the base. This traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. If you suffer from seasonal allergies or pet dander sensitivities, this is an absolute game changer for your indoor air quality. When it comes to actual cleaning performance, this robot is an absolute beast on both hard floors and carpets. It features incredible deep cleaning suction that lifts stubborn dirt, embedded crumbs, and fine dust out from deep within carpet fibers. For pet owners, the standout feature is Shark's specialized self-cleaning brush roll. Traditional vacuum brushes quickly get choked and wrapped up in long pet hair, requiring you to sit there with scissors cutting it free. This brush roll actively prevents hair wrap while it cleans, ensuring the vacuum maintains peak suction without constant maintenance. The real magic, however, lies in how this machine navigates your home. Instead of randomly bumping into your furniture and walls like cheaper models, the Shark AI Ultra utilizes advanced 360-degree LiDAR vision. During its very first run, it quickly and accurately maps your entire home layout. This precision mapping allows the robot to clean in a methodical grid pattern rather than a random chaotic path. This navigation system powers Shark's signature Matrix Clean technology. When activated, the vacuum doesn't just pass over an area once. It cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over the exact same spot from different angles. This ensures that no hidden spots are missed, and deeply embedded dirt is completely cleared away. Because it relies on LiDAR, it can see and navigate perfectly in the middle of the night or in pitch-black rooms just as well as it does in broad daylight. Managing the vacuum is incredibly simple. Using the smartphone app, you can view your custom home map, set up strict cleaning schedules, or initiate on-demand cleanups for specific high-traffic rooms. It also features full smart home integration, allowing you to control the vacuum hands-free using your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With up to 120 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge, it can easily handle large floor plans. If it does happen to run low on battery mid-clean, it will intelligently drive itself back to the dock, recharge its battery, and then resume cleaning exactly where it left off. In conclusion, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers a brilliant combination of raw power and smart automation. From a matrix grid, deep cleaning to the 30-day HEPA self-empty base, it takes the hassle entirely out of household maintenance. If you want a cleaner home with virtually zero daily effort, this is a premium investment that delivers on every promise.